Hello, you're welcome to this very important video on how to bypass Facebook error and create your Facebook page. Recently there's been a lot of challenges creating page. They will tell you, oh, you can't create the page because you have created the page recently, which is not true. In this video, I'm going to show you two methods how to get this solved. Two methods how to bypass this and create your page normally. The first method we're going to see is using the Facebook report. You're going to report to Facebook and Facebook is going to open and then you're going to create your page. Let's get into the video proper. So you're going to open up Facebook, then you're going to click on this three dots and you go down to, you're going to see help and support. Where you see, you're going to come down, you see the report a problem. They're going to tell you how to report a problem, get to where the problem is and have it solved. All you need is to shake your phone where the problem is and then you're going to report the problem. Let's see what it takes. To get back to pages and follow the normal procedure for creating a page, which I already outlined in a previous video on how to create a Facebook page. So you're going to just follow the normal procedure of creating a page and then you're going to enter the page name. You're going to click on the next button. Okay, we're going to try the same page, Wells of Worship. Then we take on next. We're going to enter the categories, the page, and then we're going to take on create after entering the categories. We take on create and you discover it says unable to create page because you have created a page recently. So what we're going to do is to shake our device. You simply shake your device at this point. Shake your phone and the pop-up is going to show. Before then, you need to take a screenshot of this particular page, including the problem. Okay, that's the pop-up, and then you're going to click on report problem. Once you click on report problem, it's going to load and come up, and then they will say include in report. Yeah, you click on that so that the screenshot is going to be included in the report. But as you can see, I screenshot, but it didn't take the problem, so I'm going to upload another one that I've screenshotted that had the problem, and I upload, and then you're going to simply click on this description where they say you describe the issue, and then we're going to describe the issue. Greetings to the team. You can describe it in your own words, in your own way. Like here, just trying to explain. I've been trying to create a page, a new page. Page on Facebook to no avail. I keep receiving the pop-up. I keep receiving a message that I have created so many pages, too many pages recently. which I haven't for quite a while. So you can actually formulate your own message in a way that you think can be convincing to Facebook to allow you to create your page. Please kindly help me create my new page. So thank you. Thank you. The top right corner to submit. Finalizing bug report. Then you wait until it's submitted. And under normal circumstances, immediately after submission, you're supposed to create a page. You say thank you. Okay, now we're going to try again to create our page to see if it's going to go through. It shows the same thing. So if this method doesn't work for you, then let's take on this next method using VPN. Using VPN to bypass. Okay, we're gonna go to Play Store. We're gonna search for just VPN. Okay, does it right here. Take on install. Okay, once it's installed, we take on open. So we're going to continue with that. We're not going to subscribe. So we're going to look for maybe this. Select the United Kingdom. And then we connect. Okay. Allow. Okay. As you can see, it's connected to the United Kingdom. Let's get back now to our Facebook. And then we try now to create our page. We're going to hit on create. Boom, that's it. We succeeded to create our page. So our page has finally been created. You can go ahead and enter your bio, enter your website, enter your email address, your location, every detail that you need to enter. Then you're going to enter your pictures, profile pictures, and the every detail that you need to enter. You're going to choose your country. For instance, I'm in Cameroon. And select Cameroon, enter phone number. Then every other detail that you need to enter. Once it's done, you take on done. And you're switching to the page. So that is it. That is a new page that has just been created. You can go right away and post on your page. Thank you. If this was helpful, kindly ensure to subscribe to our channel and to share the video to help so many other people. God bless you.